Is your phone bill making you scratch your head? Ever wonder which corner of the world relies on the Rogers network for its mobile connectivity? Well, you've landed in the right place. Think about your own mobile experience for a second. That seamless connection allowing you to scroll through social media, video call loved ones, and navigate with online maps, it all relies on a vast infrastructure of networks. These networks are the invisible backbone of our digital lives, and one of the major players in this landscape is Rogers Communications. Now, you might be thinking, Rogers? Isn't that a Canadian company? And you'd be absolutely right. Rogers Communications is indeed headquartered in Canada. It's one of the big three telecommunications giants in the country, alongside Bell Canada and TELUS. For millions of Canadians, Rogers is their go-to provider for wireless, cable television, internet, and home phone services. Imagine the sprawling urban centers of Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. Picture the remote communities nestled in the Canadian Rockies or the vast prairies stretching across the provinces. In many of these locations, the familiar Rogers logo signifies connectivity. From bustling downtown cores to quiet suburban neighborhoods, Rogers' network infrastructure plays a vital role in keeping Canadians connected. But let's dig a little deeper. What exactly does it mean for a country to use a network like Rogers? It's not as simple as saying every single person in Canada is a Rogers subscriber. The telecommunications market is competitive, and many Canadians opt for services from Bell or TELUS or smaller regional providers. Instead, when we say a country uses Rogers' network, we're referring to the significant presence and operation of Rogers' infrastructure and services within its borders. This includes the cell towers dotting the landscape, the fiber optic cables running beneath the streets, and the data centers that power our online interactions. It means that a substantial portion of the population relies on Rogers for their communication and entertainment needs. Think about the sheer scale of operations required to keep a country as vast and geographically diverse as Canada connected. Rogers has invested billions of dollars in building and maintaining its network, constantly upgrading its technology to keep pace with the ever-increasing demand for data and faster speeds. They've rolled out 5G technology in many areas, promising even quicker downloads and lower latency. Beyond just mobile phones, consider the other services Rogers provides. Many Canadian households subscribe to Rogers for their cable television, enjoying a wide range of channels and on-demand content. Their internet services power homes and businesses, enabling everything from online learning and remote work to streaming movies and playing online games. Even traditional landline phone services are still offered by Rogers in many areas. The impact of a major telecommunications company like Rogers extends beyond just providing services to individual consumers. Businesses of all sizes rely on Rogers for their communication needs, from small startups to large corporations. Government agencies, educational institutions, and healthcare providers also depend on the robust and reliable network infrastructure that Rogers provides. Furthermore, Rogers is a significant employer in Canada, providing jobs for thousands of people across the country in various roles, from network engineers and customer service representatives to retail staff and media professionals. Their investments in infrastructure and technology also contribute to the overall Canadian economy. So, to circle back to our initial question, which country uses Rogers' network? The primary answer is Canada. It's within Canada's borders that Rogers Communications has built its extensive network and serves its millions of customers. While the company may have partnerships or roaming agreements with international carriers, its core operations and infrastructure are firmly rooted in Canadian soil. The next time you see a Rogers store or hear about their latest services, remember the vast network that underpins it all, connecting Canadians from coast to coast. It's a testament to the critical role that telecommunications companies play in our modern, interconnected world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.